Alright, hello everyone, and good morning. Today is, oh my gosh, dude. Well, today is Tuesday, July 22nd at 10:12 a.m. And this will be my last video for a while. I might as well come on here and do the outlook, because why not? But again, this will be my last video for a while. I don't know how long, but it'll be for a while though. But we got marginal that encompasses almost all, well, half of South Carolina, extreme southeastern Alabama, and South Georgia, South Georgia, Southeast Georgia, Southwest Georgia, and yeah, that's pretty much it. And in the panhandle of Florida, except for that teeny tiny part right there. And we got another marginal that encompasses, zoom in. We got another marginal that encompasses the western half of Wisconsin and extreme northern Michigan, which is that kind of part out there. And we also got a slight risk that encompasses a teeny tiny part of extreme northwestern Wisconsin. And we got a slight risk that encompasses South North Dakota and North South Dakota. And we got also central Minnesota and extreme southeastern Montana. And we got another marginal that encompasses, well, not another marginal, it's the same marginal, but almost all, the marginal encompasses almost all of Minnesota, except for that teeny tiny part right there. And all of northern Minnesota has the marginal, and almost all of Iowa has the marginal. And the panhandle of Nebraska has the marginal, and extreme north and extreme kind of like east northeast, like that deal, and extreme northwestern Kansas. And the marginal encompasses Jacksonville, Florida, Atlanta, Georgia, Minneapolis, Minnesota, St. Paul, Minnesota, and Madison, Wisconsin. We're going to tornado risk today. We only got 3% that encompasses extreme southeastern Montana, the southern South North Dakota, and North South Dakota. And also 2%, which is central Iowa, all of western Wisconsin, and central Minnesota. If I not say that already. The 2% encompasses Minneapolis, Minnesota, St. Paul, Minnesota, Des Moines, Iowa, Cedar Rapids, Iowa, Rochester, Minnesota. The wind risk today encompasses, oh my god, a 5% for all of southern, we'll just say half of South Carolina, and southeastern. Oh my gosh, I cannot talk. What is this state called? Georgia, South Georgia, Southeast Georgia, and Southwest Georgia. And also the panhandle of Florida, except for that tiny bit right there. Y'all get it. Literally the same thing. So, nothing. And we got a hatched risk. The 5% encompasses Jacksonville, Florida, Atlanta, Georgia, Minneapolis, Minnesota, St. Paul, Minnesota, and Madison, Wisconsin. Oh yeah, 15% includes Billings, Montana, Fargo, North Dakota, Minnesota, Bismarck, North Dakota, and Grand Forks, North Dakota. In the big sphere, or hatched, it covers Spearfish, South Dakota, Miles City, Montana, Belfort, South Dakota. The hail risk today encompasses, we only got a 5% for extreme northwestern Wisconsin, and almost all of Minnesota. And yeah, extreme southeastern Montana, and southern North Dakota, and northern North Dakota, and also a hatched area which encompasses South North Dakota and North. Oh my god, dude, why do you do that? And North South Dakota. The 5% encompasses Duluth, Duluth, Minnesota, Rapid City, South Dakota, St. Cloud, Montana. How do you say that word? Minot, North Dakota, and Superior, Wisconsin. But I'm going to. Here's the today marginal. Tornado risk today. Wind risk today. And last, the hail risk today. But I do stay safe and stay weather aware and have a way to see those warnings. Have a phone, radio, weather radio, anything. And again, this will be my last video for a while. But yeah, but I hope you stay safe and stay weather aware. And I'll see you all sometime. But again, I hope you stay safe and stay weather aware. And have a way to see those warnings. Make sure you have all the events on your weather radios if you have them, and the slight risk and the marginal risk, because marginals can produce whatever. But again, I hope you stay safe.